cruise ship sa Royal Caribbean. Cruising to piliin natin is yung South Pacific. Port natin is wala dito, tayo dito sa Asia tayo. Next natin yung South Pacific, Asia. Then port dito tayo sa Tokyo, Japan. Sa Tokyo, Japan. Yan. Apply. Date is on April. Search. Update natin. Ayun, nasa baba. Scroll down natin. This one, Anthem of the Sea. 4.5 star. Pili tayo ng classification of rooms. Ocean view, interior, balcony, royal suite class. This one tayo sa royal suite class para komportable. Ito yung savings. Container lang natin to. How many rooms do you need? One lang, only one room. Ang ating need na room. Oops, napili natin. Continue. Wait lang natin. Continue natin. Ang adult natin is one only. Continue. Selected room type. Additional room type. Royal suite class. Select your suite class. Skylux of Grand Lux suite. This one is a Grand Lux suite pa. Personal information, first name, last name, gender, male, birthday, 2000, 2003. Ayan, pili lang tayo ng ating birthday. Ang state. Next natin na gagawin is tignan natin email address natin. Hindi natin lagyan, kaya lalagyan natin ito. Next natin na papalitan ay yung country of citizenship. Let's change it into Philippines. Wait natin. Yan, that one, Philippines. No, not that one. Yeah, Philippines. Next is makikita natin yung summary ng ating prices sa gilid. Yan, tapos nakita natin yung total price 21. Tapos ayan yung mga prices natin. Yan yung